Hello and welcome to a new video. By the way, this video, it means a lot to me. It's about my country, so let's get started. Morocco, known for its rich culture and history, is now soaring to new heights in the aerospace industry. By 2030, the nation aims to achieve a groundbreaking feat, manufacturing its first entirely Moroccan-made aircraft. Mr. Ryad Mezzour, the Minister of Industry and Trade, announced the initiative, marking a significant stage in Morocco's industrial history. With a thriving aeronautical sector, Morocco is already producing complex aircraft parts, competing on a global scale. This ambition reflects Morocco's wide vision for industrial growth, emphasizing innovation, sustainability, and general leadership. Stay tuned as Morocco takes flight towards a future where the sky is not the limit, but the beginning.